Okay, so what is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. You already heard about the latest update which is finally now available for the Redmi Note 8 users. The MIUI 12 China stable based on Android version 11. And we've installed the Xiaomi EU build which is based on Android version 11. As you can see, MIUI 12 v12.0.1.0 RCOCNXM, which is yes, is based on Android version 11. Let me show you what is new in this latest Xiaomi EU. It doesn't have any kind of changelog. As you can see, system general optimizations, fixes and latest translation updates, because it's just kind of an EU update from the China stable. If you want to install this update, it's good, it's recommended for you to install if you're looking to install Android 11 based MIUI 12 on your device, on your Redmi Note 8, because the China stable is good but doesn't come with any kind of Google apps. The smoothness is good as always. It's not great, of course. After 2 or 3 days you will feel lags because it's Redmi Note 8, and then in the MIUI 12 update you might get these kind of lags as kind of normal thing, and you should be aware of these kind of things. Let me show you other things. Yes, it's MIUI by Xiaomi EU 12.0.1 stable version. If you go for the all specs, it has the latest security patch of 1st of January 2021, the same which one you get in the China stable. It's based on China stable, it's not based on the China beta, it's not based on the global stable. Global stable didn't came yet. India stable is also not here yet, but you will get update very soon. China stable is here, which is based on Android version 11. Control center sector is see here, and yes, it doesn't have the swipe option which you get in the beta updates. It's not available in the stable one, so this feature is missing from here, which was not great also, but it was not bad too. It has an app door option available as expectedly. The features are good here which were expected, as I already previously told you. If we go for the home screen options, the default launcher is the same, and home screen has app door options and doesn't include the global stable system launcher features. It has less features than the global stable system launcher. Search bar provider, home screen layout also has many kind of layout options, 4x6 up to 6x7 icons, and at last we have the arrange items in recents options available. If you want to use the vertical option, you can use that. You can choose the horizontal option also. Doesn't come with the iOS recents, and of course those were not recommended. It has all those interesting full screen gestures, and also if I go and let me show you that how much amount of free RAM which we get here after enabling this option. From 4 GB I'm getting approximately 1.6 GB of RAM free, and also these doesn't matter because the performance is what actually matters and not these numbers. Let me show you other things about this build. If you go for this, yes, Xiaomi EU comes with interesting kind of things like the port themes options and other things, but if you go for the other settings in lock screen or display or other settings in the settings app, you doesn't get any option. It has a scheduled dark mode, brightness level, which were same previously in the MIUI 12 stock ROM. It also has the interesting feature which is text size and font weight. I use the font weight most, and as you can see I've applied the bold fonts which I personally love a lot. Also, if you go for the sound and vibration option, you have the sound assistant which users were reporting not available in the Razer mode because that was based on Android 10. It's based on Android 11. It's officially there, so that's why the feature is working. It also comes with the sound effects and other options. The best part is, if you have noticed, let me show you these things after later on. Notification shade, expand top notification, app notifications, things are same here. Control center style, same kind of things. It comes with the pill option available here, which is quite good. You can also switch the control center side options. If you talk about the pill, yes, that's available in the stable version of China one, so that's why it's available in this EU stable. So this is good here. It's based on Android version 11. Nothing is same, nothing is different actually. It's same based on China stable. That's why this is EU stable available here. Center, this was the control center. Home screen I've already shown you. In the wallpaper section, you doesn't get the super wallpapers. Those were of course not officially supported, but in the custom rooms or in the beta rooms you got them, but those were not recommended. Themes, etc., privacy protection has the same old kind of layout and UI which was expected also. Battery and performance, apps, additional settings are same here. If you go for the additional settings, we have the full screen display option, and these are the things. Developer options, And let me show you other things by going into screen time. Special features includes the game turbo, video toolbox, and same kind of features. Full screen gestures are working perfectly fine. If you go for the theme store, it has the Chinese theme store. If you go for the My Account, going for the themes, yes, you have all those 4 same themes, but including the import option. You doesn't get any kind of ads which you get in the global stable or India stable, so this is good here. Fonts, nothing else, same kind of features which you get in Xiaomi EU. It's just for those users if you're looking to install this build on your device. If you want to install Android version 11 on your device and don't want to install the China stable, then EU stable might be a good choice for you. It's just up to you if you want to install it or if you don't want to install it. These were the things I just wanted to let you know. I hope you like this. As always, if you like this, don't forget to like and share this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching and goodbye.